Hey kiddos, I'm back with some more sight word, trick word sentences. So come join me for our 5 words for today. Hey friends. All right, are you ready to get started? You know how this works by now. We're going to take a look at one of the words. You're going to tell me what it is, and then we're going to try to write 2 sentences using that word. All right, here we go. Here's our first word. You should all know this one. And it has 2 ways you can pronounce it. A or a. All right. So you think of a word or a sentence that has that word in it. All right, go ahead. All right, want to read through my sentence with me? Here we go. See if you can read it. All right, I'm going to read it to you. See if you get the same thing. I have a dog named Buddy. All right, so go ahead. You try another sentence. I'm going to start my sentence with the word. See if you can make a sentence that starts with that word. Okay? All right, I'm going to point, you try it. Here we go. All right, I'll read it to you. Check and see if you got the same thing. A dog can run fast. Very good. All right. So here comes my next word. See if you know that one. An. An. Now sometimes it's hard to know when you're writing a sentence when to use a or a and an. So here's a little trick to help you. The word that comes after an is going to start with a vowel, either A, E, I, O, or U. All right? So go ahead and you tell me a sentence for an. All right? And I'm going to write one. All right. I'll point. You tell me what it says. All right, I'm going to read it to you. I ate an apple. And you see how there's our vowel that comes after the word an? Okay? Because if we said I ate a apple, it just doesn't sound right, does it? All right, I'm going to start this one with the word an. See if you can think of a sentence that starts with an. All right. So I'm going to give you a hint on this word right here. Do you remember in one of our other lessons we learned about magic E? And that E makes that vowel say its own name. So it's going to say you. And the E will be silent. All right, I'll point. You see if you can read this. All right, let's check. An elephant is huge. I have my exclamation at the end. So again, here's our vowel that comes after the word an. If we said a elephant, is huge. It doesn't sound quite the same, doesn't sound quite as right as an elephant is huge. And there's our magic E. The E made the U say U. Huge. And that E stayed silent. All right, ready for our next word? Okay, here we go. Here's our next word. Go ahead, tell me what it is. Did you get on? On. Very good. All right, go ahead and see if you can think of a sentence for on. All right, I'll point, you try it. All right, see if you were right. I got on the horse. Very good. This time I'm going to try to start with the word on. See if you can make one too. All right, I'll point, you try and read it. All right, let's check it. On Saturday, I went outside. All right, so here's a question for you. I have to start my sentence with an uppercase letter, but why do I have an uppercase letter here? See if you can tell me. Why is there an uppercase on Saturday? Did you say because it's the name of the day of the week? Thumbs up if you did. All right. Here we go. Next word. What is that word? Did you say or? All right, here we go. You see if you can think of a sentence. So I'm going to point and you tell me what it says. All right, here we go. Do you want ice cream or pie? So when we're using or, it's usually comparing two things or asking you about two things. All right, so let's try another sentence. All right, here we go. I'll point, you try it. And this is a word we had right up here too. All right. Whoop. And you know what? I forgot because it's a question. I forgot my question mark. Here we go. All right. Will you play inside or outside? All right. Today, I think, because it's raining, I'd play inside. All right. Here comes our last word. And this is not a magic E word. So the word is have. Have. All right. See if you can think of a sentence for the word have. Okay. Hint, hint, this is a magic E word. Remember, it's going to make that vowel, the I, say I. All right, I'll point. All right, did you get I have 5 dogs? You see how that E made the I say I, and we didn't hear the E. All right, try one more sentence with have. All right. All right, here we go. You try it. And let's check it. Do you have a dog? So another question sentence. All right, kiddos, so let's try each of these one more time. I'll point, you tell me what they are. Let's check and see if you were right. A or an, on, or have. Great job. Come again soon.